Fixfast design, manufacture and supply specialist building components. So that's used in industrial buildings, commercial buildings and many larger buildings around the UK and into Europe. We manufacture and supply and get very involved on the specification and design. We do detailed specifications and then we work very closely with key approved suppliers who do various outsourcing for us, and then we've got manufacturing in-house where we have injection moulding. So we're finishing the fastener heads and we lacquer the products and assemble the products in-house. It's moved more and more into production, in-house production in the last few years. Obviously, because we're so involved on the specification of the fastener and the actual detail of it, we can live by our motto of maximum reliability, minimum fuss. We know what the fasteners are, we know what they're designed for, and the quality control proves that they're up to the job.